Most follows the rules, but they all missed the step. Let's uncover it together and make sure you never miss it again. 6 plus 2 will give you what? 8 multiplied by 3. 8 multiplied by 3 will give you 24. Minus 20. 20 minus 24 will give you what? Minus what? 4. This is the rule, but they miss the step. The step is the trap is solving the brackets correctly before subtracting. You have to solve the bracket correctly before you subtract. So this answer is wrong. Let me walk you through so you never miss it again. 2 multiplied by 3 will give you what? 6 plus 6. Remember the rule. 6 plus 6 will give you what? 12. 20 minus 12 will give you what? 8. This is the correct answer to this particular problem. This is very simple, but most students still fail it. 7 minus 3 will give you what? 4. Divided by 3 plus 2. 4 divided by 3 will give you what? 1.33 is recurring. So plus 2. 1.33 plus 2 will give you what? 3.33. Now 3 divided by 3 will give you what? 1. 7 minus 1 will give you what? 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 will give you what? 8. This is the correct answer. You have to follow your BODMAS rule. Remember, addition and subtraction has equal priority. So you have to work from left to right. That is why we do the subtraction here first, before we finally add. Addition is here before subtraction, but because they have equal priority, so we work from left to right. This is BODMAS Mistakes, episode 7. Follow so you don't miss episode 8. Now, can you solve this? 8 minus 7 divided by 7 multiplied by 3. Let me know what your answer is in the comment section. Don't miss our next class. You will enjoy it.